Why is my laptop or desktop showing a blue screen error? Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you what is happening as of right now, as most of the users are getting this type of error in their Windows PC. So if you don't know, then let me tell you that a widespread Windows bug has left the system of the thousands of the users around the world in the recovery mode, as it is displaying this blue screen error along with the message commonly referred to as the blue screen of death bug. So this issue is reportedly affected the airports, government offices, media houses, businesses, and even the emergency services. So users on the social media have been sharing the screenshots of their PC showing a blue screen with the message. It looked like the window didn't load correctly. So if you'd like to restart and try again, you need to choose the restart my PC option. So the blue screen error occurs when there is a serious problem that causes Windows to shut down or to restart immediately, which can be caused by the software or the hardware issues, according to an official. So in this case, however, the problem is due to an update rolled out by the CrowdStrike on Friday. The company admitted on its support page that the issue is related to the Falcon sensors and stated that it is engineering team are working to resolve the issue, so there is no need to open a support ticket. Additionally, an update posted on the CrowdStrike subreddit mentioned that the engineering team has identified a way to revert the changes brought by the update. So if you are also facing this type of error in front of you, then in the meantime, in order to fix it immediately, what you can do is you can simply follow these steps. So first of all, you need to go to this path in your Windows, and then you just have to find the file with this name and you just have to simply delete it. After that, you need to boot your Windows normally, and this way you will be able to fix this error. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.